Climate change experts are warning us of looming global natural disasters, but northern Pakistan is already feeling the effects of climate change. Its fast-growing population and unstoppable tree logging is causing havoc in the region.
The mountainous region of Azad Kashmir, northern Pakistan, was known for its lush forests and pristine rivers. But rapid population growth in recent times and overexploitation of natural resources has turned the region into an environmental disaster. Today's snow-capped mountains are almost barren. Vast tracts of forests have been chopped down for fuel or construction purposes, as wood is still the main source for heating and cooking during the long winter days.
The population is growing at a very fast pace, and in order to meet the requirements and needs, there is widespread exploitation of natural resources in the region. In fact, it would be correct to say that there is an overexploitation of the available resources.
The future consequences are grave. Climate experts point to a severe water scarcity that will affect food production. A local resident in Kashmir needs to ride 6 miles to collect drinking water at a community pump. He says polluted water abounds in the city.
In this city, jaundice and intestinal diseases are spreading among the people because of unclean water. Even the springs have become polluted because of the lack of proper sewerage facilities. UNICEF tested the spring water and has declared it unfit for human consumption.
The water pollution is due to illegal tree logging. A disastrous 2005 earthquake in the region has seen an increase in home construction. Local families are turning to timber mafias who cut tens of thousands of trees illegally. Locals say forestry officials are turning a blind eye.
After the earthquake, the felling of trees for reconstruction work has continued unabated, which has given rise to a lot of pollution. The result is a severe shortage of clean water, which will certainly become extremely grave in the future.
Tree logging has also increased the number of landslides annually.
There have been so many landslides here lately that the entire region is in danger. Houses are in danger of sliding down, everyone is suffering. There is going to be even greater suffering in the future.
Experts say that when the Himalayan glaciers will be gone, the monsoon rains will be erratic, with sometimes too much rain and at other times too little. And new uncontrollable diseases will have emerged.